The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is a foldable smartphone that was announced by Samsung Electronics on July 26, 2023. It is the successor to the Galaxy Z Flip 3 and features a number of improvements, including a more durable design, a faster processor. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 has a 6.7-inch AMOLED display that folds in half to create a compact device that is easy to carry around. When folded, the phone measures just 85.1 by 71.9 by 15.1 millimeters and weighs 187 grams. It is the thinnest and lightest foldable phone on the market. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 has the biggest changes to the Z Flip line since Samsung launched the first one. As rival phones circle to try and take a slice of the foldables market, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 has done just enough to keep a high position on our best foldable phones page. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, one of the fastest and most powerful processors on the market. This ensures that the phone is fast and responsive even when running demanding apps. The phone also has 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB or 512 GB of storage. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 has a dual camera system on the back, consisting of a 12-megapixels main sensor and a 12MP ultra-wide sensor. The front camera is 10 megapixels. This camera system is capable of taking excellent photos and videos even in low-light conditions. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 has a 3700 mAh battery, which is more powerful than the one found in the Galaxy Z Flip 3. This gives the phone a longer battery life even when using the folding display. The phone also supports fast charging, so you can top up its battery quickly when you need it. Performance. This is the chip that the Galaxy S23 series offered earlier in the year and that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Tab S9 series also offer. In our testing, we did see improvements in all benchmark tests. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 runs Android 13 with One UI 5.1. This software is one of the best on the market, and it offers a number of features that make using the phone a pleasure. These features include a new multitasking interface, a better notification system, and improved privacy controls. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is a great choice for anyone looking for a powerful foldable phone. It is complete with a durable design, fast processor, long battery life, and powerful camera system. If you're looking for a phone that stands out from the crowd, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is a great option. Design and displays. On the inside of the Galaxy Z Flip 5, you get a familiar 6.7-inch OLED main display, featuring an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate and an FHD+ resolution. The bigger news, however, is the revamped outer display that now measures 3.4 inches across. It's one of the brightest displays we've tested in a foldable phone, reaching a peak brightness output of 1504 nits. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is a powerful foldable phone that offers great value for the price. It is durable, powerful, and has an excellent camera system. If you're looking for a great and unique phone that stands out from the crowd, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is a great choice. Even though the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 is still a fantastic device capable of every daily task, the additions and improvements Samsung has made to the Flip 5 make it a worthy upgrade. The external display allows more versatility in using your phone without opening the device. In comparison to the Flip 3, the battery life is significantly better, and the chipset powering it is more efficient as well. Samsung Z Flip 5 variants prices in USA. Samsung Z Flip 5 8GB RAM and 128GB storage $1,299. Samsung Z Flip 5 8GB RAM and 256GB storage $1,399. Samsung Z Flip 5 12GB RAM and 256GB storage $1,499.